Good morning to all of you, my dear students. In this video, I have continued that about the chapter indices. I have explained already about the indices, laws of indices, some properties, also the questions in the three parts of the indices. And some more questions are here. In that, you have to apply the rule of indices for solving the x. There is the equation and you can solve for x in the equation. For example, this is the question number 34, third part. Solve for x in this equation. This book I have taken the ICSE Mathematics by ML Agrawal, that you know. Under root 3 by 5 whole power x plus 1 is equal to 125 by 27. If you solve this question, how to solve? That you can find 3 by 5 like this, and you can write as this under root means the 1 by 2, power 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. If you multiply here, you will get x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 125 by 27. But you cannot make equal because these two are unequal. In this case, in this you cannot say that these are the equal. When these will be equal, when the bases are same, then you can say that the powers are equal. In this case, m is a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, then m is equal to n because bases are equal. How to make the bases are equal? So first of all, you change this as a prime factor 5 cube upon 3 cube. Now you are getting the 3 by 5. ये भी है 3 or 5, but not exactly the 3 by 5. Take x plus 1 by 2 is equal to, you can write as 5 by 3 to the power whole power 3, क्योंकि ये भी फॉर्मूला होता है a upon b, a to the power m, b to the power m, you can write as whole power n. Now, can you say the bases are same? No, bases are not same. Why? Because this is 3 by 5, this is 5 by 3. How to change? I have told already, if you want to take the reciprocal, the sign of the power will be changed. Matlab, you can write this as 3 by 5 and then minus 3. The sign of power is minus now, and these you will take as reciprocal. After getting this one, you can apply the same formula, means x plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3. On comparing, here write the formula. Now cross multiplication, and x is equal to the value of x is minus 7. By this way you can find. Other questions also, 35, in 36 also, but I will tell you. Question number 36. 5 to the power 3x if 125, 10 to the power y, second equation is given. And find x and y. Find x and y. So from equation 1, this is the equation 1, this is equation 2. From equation 1. Can you write this 125 as 5 cube? Yes. Now bases are same, so powers will be equal. So 3x is equal to 3, x is equal to 1. First answer. And from 10 to the power y, can you write this as 1 upon 1000 decimal? So it will be 10 to the power 3, or you can write that 10 to the power minus 3. Again the bases are same, so y is equal to minus 3. This is the value of y. By this way you can find. Now the other question in which you have to find the like 37. This is the proof that, लेकिन थोड़ा सा इसमें तुम्हें कुछ मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. 9 to the power n 3 square, three to the power n, it is given. You have to show that m is equal to 1 plus n. This you have to show. How to show? Can you see the every term is, every number is in terms of 3. Change in terms of 3. 9 to the power n you can write as 3 square, and square है तो 2n हो जाएगा because it is n. This is 3 square, this is 3 to the power n. This can you write as 3 cube? Cube means 3n हो जाएगा because it is n. Whole upon 3 to the power 3m into, can you write as 8 is equal to 1 by 27. अब what is common? क्या इसमें 3 to the power n और 3 to the power 2n ऐड हो सकता है? Yes. 2n plus n power will be added, as you know. But question arises, अगर इसकी पावर ऐड हो सकती है तो why not of this 3 square इसकी भी ऐड? Yes, may be added, but it is not required according to condition of the question. Only add these two power because 3n you will get, और ये भी 3n है तो इससे क्या होगा, ये कॉमन हो जाएगा. तो 3n into 3 square you can write as 9 minus 3 to the power 3n whole upon 3 to the power 3m into 8, ये भी into is equal to 1 by 27 को हम 3 क्यूब लिखेंगे अभी क्योंकि पावर कंपेयर हो. Now you take common 3 to the power 3n, 9 is there, minus 1 क्योंकि 1 बचा इसमें, 3 to the power 3m into 8 minus 3 क्योंकि ये this you take in the numerator. Then 9 minus 1 is 8 and it is also 8 तो ये cancel हो जाएगा. And 3 to the power 3n, this 3m take out in the numerator, so the sign will changed and like this. Again the bases are same, so powers will be equal. So comparing 3n minus 3m is equal to minus 3 divided by 3. So n minus m is equal to minus 1. What do you have to show? m is equal to 1 plus n, तो m को उधर ले जाए, minus 1 को इधर, तो n plus 1 is equal to proved. By this way you can show. One more question of the same type in which you have to find the value of, but this is also the same type, question number 38, 39. I solve here question number 40. It is the last question, but very good question of this. And what mistake generally the students does in this type of question. Actually, this is the different type of question. Generally, when we multiply this 3, so generally what the student does, that 3 into 2, 6, 6 to the power x. 3 into 1, 3. 2 into x plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. And then they don't think that how this happens. मतलब ये कैसे हो गया? Can you say that 2 the power 3 into, suppose 4 is there, can you say this is 4 into 2, 8 to the power 3? Is it possible? If we multiply this 3 into this bracket as 3 into 2, that is 6, so well, this is also the correct. This may be according to you, but this is absolutely wrong. What you have to do, you will not multiply by this way. First of all, you will write the same thing, and this you break in 2 parts like this, because this is the rule of the indices. You can break this one into a to the power m into a to the power. Can you write? ऐसे उल्टा लेके चलो, and then let 2 the power x is equal to y. इसको let करें. So in this equation now you put in place of 2 the power x y. तो क्या हो जाएगा? अब ये देखो, y और 2 स्क्वायर 4, तो 4y प्लस 5. अब ये 3y प्लस 3 माइनस 4y प्लस 5. सिंप्लीफाई. minus y plus 8 or y is equal to 8. But this is not the answer. You have to find the x, and if you leave the answer here, question here, then you will not get the full marks. अब ये था ना 2 the power x is equal to y, in place of y put the 8. We use and 8 you can write as 2 cube. It means x is equal to 3 after comparing powers are equal if bases are equal. This is the value of x. So by this way you can get the solution or value of x. Now the remaining questions of this exercise you have to do in your copy. The chapter you have to complete. Also you complete the chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 till 8, because before summer vacation I have told these chapters till 7. I have explained, I and Pawan sir both explained about the videos also are there. So you have to do in fair copy, do all the questions, every exercise of all the, whatever it is cut, no need to do, like in chapter 2 compound interest, the third exercise no need to do, and I think in other it is there is no cut. Thereafter the log chapter is cut. I will not teach the log chapter. I will start the next one, but before that I will take a test. and prepare for that one by one. Means one day I will take the some chapters, other day I will take the some chapters, like this. But you will not go out in this pandemic era due to the coronavirus. You will not go home. Stay home and be safe. Thank you.